Hi, Audacity 3.5 has been released a couple of days and I want to show you some new features of Audacity 3.5. If you think in terms of voiceover editing, then the interface has not changed that much, but you need to know some of the new features of Audacity because maybe it is going to affect us how we are going to use Audacity in the future. So you see I have already installed Audacity 3.5.1 and I will open a recent project. Normally what we do when we want to save project, we go to file and then save project. And when we save project, actually this project is a op3 file and it is saved in the locally. But now you can see another option, save to cloud. So Audacity is now giving option to save your project directly to the cloud. And when you save your project to the cloud, you can also open that project from cloud. So what does cloud mean here? Here cloud means that you are going to save your file to audio.com. You will need a audio.com account and it is free to open an audio.com account. You will open an account in audio.com and then you will link that account with your Audacity. From then you can save your project, Audacity project in audio.com and you can open that project anytime from audio.com. So that is one feature of 3.5. Another feature of 3.5 is the stretching, the clip stretching. I will create a clip by pressing Command I and then I will make a room. And now there is option to stretch the clip. Like if I go to the edge and drag and drop, it is just trimming and untrimming. But if I press the Alt key or Option key and then I drag, then you can see that there is a number that is changing. So it is stretching. So this is another feature of Audacity 3.5. And some menus has been removed from the Audacity 3.5. Like there was a XML converter and that is now missing. So you will see some of the menus missing here and there. Mainly those menus are not used that frequently. You will also find some new preference. For example, there is a preference of cloud. So you can export your file into cloud if you want. So I have hidden this, but if I now turn this on and if I click on the export audio, then you can see I have two options. I can share to audio.com or I can export in my computer. So if you want to share your project or audio with someone, audio.com is going to make things easier for you in Audacity, and I'm not sure how much Audacity will focus on this feature. And other than that, Audacity has mainly fixed some bug. If you click on the downloads on audacity.com, then you can see the change log. From change log, there are change log about 3.5.1 and 3.5. So 3.5.1 is mainly a hot fix. So there are some crash issues after releasing 3.5 that has been fixed on 3.5.1. So if you go into the change log of 3.5, then you will see in details what are the changes. Three big changes regarding the cloud saving, regarding the automatic tempo detection and pitch shifting. And other changes are actually removing some of the menus, changing some of the text and fixing some bugs. So these are the changes overall in Audacity 3.5. If you are currently in between a project, then I won't recommend that you update to 3.5 because normally what happens when you upgrade to Audacity, then some things may not work and that can have a problem in your project. First complete your current project and then you can migrate to Audacity 3.5. And if I find any major issue with 3.5 in the coming days, I'll let you know through my video. Thanks for watching.